Exploring the enigmatic world of owls, masters of the night skies. We would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to the enigmatic world of owls, where these silent nocturnal predators rule supreme with their extraordinary senses, stealthy movements, and haunting calls. Owls, which belong to the order Strigiformes, have long been a source of fascination for humans due to their mysterious behavioral patterns, mysterious appearances, and unparalleled hunting abilities. In this all-encompassing investigation, we set out on a journey into the fascinating world of owls, uncovering the mysteries of their biology, behavior, and the cultural significance of their presence. Owls are distinguished by their distinctive characteristics, which include large heads, eyes that face forward, and hooked beaks that are designed for tearing flesh. They are able to perceive depth and accurately judge distances thanks to their binocular vision, which is essential for hunting in low-light conditions. This is the most striking anatomical adaptation that they have. Furthermore, owls have acute hearing, and their asymmetrical ear placements further enhance their ability to locate prey solely through the use of sound. Because of the specialized feathers they possess, they are able to fly without making any noise, which allows them to maximize their stealth during nighttime hunts. Owls are nocturnal hunters, and as such, they have developed a set of adaptations that allow them to thrive in environments with low levels of illumination and to capture their prey with pinpoint accuracy. Their large eyes are equipped with a high density of rod cells that are sensitive to light, as well as a reflective layer known as the tapetum lucidum, which enhances their ability to detect and track movement in low light. Owls are able to fly stealthily and approach their prey without being detected because they have specialized feathers with fringed edges that disrupt the flow of air and reduce turbulence resulting from their flight. Owls are opportunistic predators that have a wide variety of diets that differ from species to species and to geographic range. The majority of the prey that many species consume is comprised of small mammals like mice, voles, and rats. However, there are also species that feed on birds, insects, reptiles, and even fish. Some owls, like the snowy owl, are more adept at hunting in open environments such as tundra and grasslands, whereas other owls, like the barn owl, are more at home in wooded areas and agricultural landscapes. In spite of the fact that they do not have a particular prey preference, owls play a significant part in the preservation of ecological balance by exercising control over populations of rodents and pests. Owls typically engage in courtship rituals during the breeding season. These rituals are characterized by elaborate displays, vocalizations, and behaviors that are territorial in nature. At the nesting sites that are established by mated pairs, which can be found in trees, cliffs, or abandoned structures, the female lays a clutch of eggs and maintains them in an incubator until they hatch. Both parents take part in the process of incubating the eggs and caring for the young chicks, including providing them with food and shielding them from potential dangers until they are able to make their own decisions and become independent. It is common for owls to have only one brood per year. However, certain species may have multiple broods during a single breeding season. Owls are classified as solitary birds because they tend to keep their territories to themselves and avoid engaging in direct competition with other members of their similar species. However, they do communicate with other members of their own species through a wide range of vocalizations, such as hoots, screeches, whistles, and hisses. A number of purposes are served by these vocalizations, including the attraction of a mate, the defense of territory, and the transmission of warning calls. In addition, certain species communicate with competitors or potential mates through the use of visual displays, such as the puffing up of their feathers or the raising of their wings. Owls have been associated with a wide range of cultural meanings and symbols in human societies throughout the course of human history. Owls frequently stand for intuition, wisdom, and mystery. Owls are revered as symbols of knowledge, foresight, and spiritual enlightenment in many different cultures. They are also associated with gods, goddesses, and other mythical creatures. However, in certain folklore and superstitions, they are associated with negative connotations, such as death, darkness, and omens of ill fortune. These associations are believed to be negative. Owls continue to captivate and fascinate people all over the world, and they have been the source of inspiration for a great number of myths, legends, and artistic representations regardless of these contrasting interpretations. There are a number of conservation challenges and threats to the populations of owls in certain regions, despite the fact that owls are not currently considered to be endangered or threatened species. There are a number of primary threats to owl habitats, including the destruction of habitat, the destruction of forests, the expansion of urban areas, and the expansion of agricultural land. particularly in regions where human activities encroach on natural ecosystems. Additionally, pollution, climate change, and predation by invasive species may have additional effects on owl populations and the populations of their prey. As a result, conservation efforts are required to protect their habitats and ensure that they will continue to exist for the foreseeable future. In conclusion, owls are remarkable birds that continue to captivate and motivate us due to their ability to successfully navigate the nighttime environment, their mysterious demeanor, and the cultural significance they hold. Through the process of gaining an understanding and appreciation of their biology, behavior, and ecological roles, we can collaborate in order to preserve and safeguard these mysterious creatures for the purpose of preserving them for future generations to admire and cherish. Let us rejoice in the extraordinary world of owls and acknowledge the richness of knowledge and the sense of wonder that they bring to our lives and our imaginations. Join us in the fight to save owls and preserve our natural heritage. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Together, we can make a difference for these extraordinary creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit.